Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20952 Super Clean 2005 Tailift FD25P. This is a 5,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's running the Isuzu 4J G2 diesel engine. Has a 192 inch triple stage mast. Sorry, excuse me. Equipped with the load backrest, side shift carriage, 42 inch pallet forks. This has a 10-disc transmission with dedicated full-size transmission cooler. It's a 6-roller, 4-thrust roller carriage with common JIC fittings. It's got a strobe light, full-size battery, recent repairs, new PM service, and a new paint job. You can check this forklift out online at betterforklift.com or come by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you much for watching.